Good morning. Happy Wednesday, beautiful people. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button. It's free. It costs you nothing. So I'm back today continuing our pantry challenge. I did mine kind of broken up because my phone needs all the space it can get, okay? So today is Wednesday, and I ate the last of that pasta that we made and the last of my strawberries at work. I've been having cinnamon raisin toast with peanut butter and strawberries for the breakfast, and now I have no breakfast. Before I leave to work today, I'll be gathering what I can. So I took out the fridge the rest of the strawberries, and another thing I've been loving is in my water bottle. Thank you, Sissy. She bought me an Awala water bottle, and I have some cold water in there now. But before I fill it all up, I'm going to take 2 strawberries, cut them up, put them into steep. Because I find like when I put strawberries and cucumbers in my water, I tend to not just keep running to the bathroom. I feel like it helps my body maintain or sustain the water that I'm putting in. Are in their pouch. They're ready to go for work. I'm gonna have to wash dishes today. I'm just gonna leave that. Now, we don't have any dinner. Let me show y'all the fridge. So this is what the fridge is looking like. It's pretty empty. It's that noodles that I might as well just throw out because I'm not gonna eat them. I don't like them. The thing on top is kind of like some chilies that were in some like sauce. Then I have 2 things of this. There's nothing in the drawers. Like, guys, I'm not one that likes to keep my fridge full of things because I don't want to waste food. I do have some eggs, and this should probably go in the garbage. Look at this. What was I gonna get out of that? That avocado has been in there for a couple days. Not sure if it's still good, so I don't know what we're gonna make. So at this point, that milk is old. Like, yeah. So there's not much in the fridge to eat. Freezer, however, has a little bit more. I got this from Sam's Club. You guys, I don't like it. It's supposed to be beer battered cod fillets. Y'all can read upside down. Baby, this is so greasy, and I've tried it twice. It's not my jam. But I know I have some chicken, so these are. Don't be ridiculous. Yeah. Okay. There's some leftover lentils, but I don't think I feel like heating those up. We got some boneless, skinless chicken legs like I know. I'm hoping I have some thighs, because that's what I feel like. Oh, is that a piece of... That's ridiculous. I've got some chicken thighs here. I got some thighs, y'all. Now I actually have bacon in there. I got bacon, meatballs, and some kind of meat that I got for free that one time. And I have a piece of garlic bread that I didn't even realize. Come on, Jesus. Then I've got some more chicken thighs. These are looking a little more rough, so I'm going to start with these. They're both, say, 6 of them are in there, so let's go with that. What is this? I got some hush puppy things. Y'all, we'll save this when we get my air fryer back. You guys, the air fryer got recalled. I don't know if I told y'all. The air fryer got recalled, and I had to cut the cord and throw it out. And so I've got some vegetables over here, like the edamame, some potato things, and grilled things. Speaking of potatoes, though, I've got these garlic potatoes I bought from Target like a week ago. So I think we're gonna maybe do chicken, potatoes, and I think I saw some roasted carrots there. Bought a couple weeks ago, and I don't know. I'm like, am I gonna like those? I still haven't made them, but I wanted to try them. Something is wrong with me. Anyway, so that is a plan. Like, I gotta get ready to go for work. So I've taken out the chicken, which is the most important part. I can figure out the rest later. Definitely don't want any pasta because I did that already. And I've been eating that all week. Let's check the pantry. That pasta I ate is already done anyway. I do have some rice, I think. Yeah, I got some kind of rice right there. I've got some lentils, which I should have steeped or something. Look, all the little clear containers are mostly empty. I need to be worrying about doing a pantry re-up. There's no flour. There's some rice here. I won't got no black beans. Oh, we do have some black beans. We have 1 can. We have no tomatoes. Baby, I gotta do better. Anyway, that's what the pantry's looking like. You know what we have? I can kind of think about it at work. But I'm thinking currently potatoes and chicken and maybe those carrots. So I'll see you guys in the evening. Just glad I remembered to take the chicken out at all. So let me head to work before I'm too late, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a wonderful, blessed Wednesday. Oh, also I forgot to mention, girl, remember we don't have lunch for today? I have this 12 grain sandwich bread that I got from Walmart maybe a week or two ago. A week ago, I just keep it in the fridge, and I'm just gonna take 2 slices with me so I can have that with peanut butter and my strawberries again, because it's been keeping me full. So I don't really have no snacks, no popcorn, no nothing like that, but work has some snacks sometimes, so I just take some from there. Thank God for work. All right, for real, y'all, I gotta go. Hello everybody, so I'm back home. It is later in the day. I wonder if I can see the time. 6:29, but I've washed dishes, put up dishes, and I cleaned my chicken that I took out that was completely defrosted by now with vinegar and water, and I took some of the fat off because they were chicken thighs. I'm going to show you the plan. I'm going to make the potatoes in the microwave. I'm going to make the carrots in the microwave, and then I'm going to make the chicken on the stove. What I think I'm gonna do is, because I think I have 6 boneless skinless thighs, I think I'm just gonna make 3 of them today and then make 3 tomorrow. That way I actually might just make 2 today and the rest tomorrow. I'm gonna season them all though, because I want to let them sit in their seasoning for a little while, where the ones tomorrow should be good. But I want to show you guys what it's looking like, of what I'm going to be doing. So here is the potatoes. Y'all saw that already. Here is the cleaned and washed chicken. I'm going to be adding some garlic powder, some onion powder, black pepper, paprika, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of salt only because they're going in the fridge to marinate. So, and I mean a tiny bit. And then I forgot that I had panko in the pantry. So I think I'm going to put some panko on the ones I'm making today. And some avocado oil. You can use olive oil. I'm sure that's fine as well. Oh, and also I have found these McCormick salt-free Auntie Tab. What are these things called? Like packets, and I have 3 of them. There's the burger business, taco business, and saute business. I don't know, I'm just gonna try the saute business. It's got garlic, brown sugar, modified cornstarch, spices including ginger, white pepper, cinnamon, anise, clove, sesame oil, which I appreciate, citric acid, I'm sure that's just to keep it, garlic oil, and yeast extract. So I think this will be good on chicken, plus all of that. And another one of her things that I really like, as you can see, like it's almost gone. I really like this one. It's like sweet and like smoky. I'm going to put some of that on. All her seasonings are salt-free. And right now, the major thing is to try and reduce my salt intake because my blood pressure is getting high, although I didn't do very well at lunch today because I had chicken wings. But I haven't had that chicken wing spot in a very long time. I mean months. So it is what it is. But let me get started. So I went to opening the potatoes all rough and rugged like a crazy person, and it says right on the thing, remove the sleeves, seasoning packet, and place the tray in the microwave. Do not puncture the film. Guess who punctured the film? I mean, I didn't mean to. I don't know if y'all can see right there. Oh man. Just huggy. Okay, and then microwave for 5.5 minutes or until potatoes are fork tender. Well, I'm gonna put them in for 6 minutes either way. Even though they're punctured, there's nothing I can do about that right now. But I'm gonna put it in for 6 minutes and see what happens. I think my oil is getting hot. I have a lot of oil in the pan, as you can see. But my pan feels really warm, so let's get these chickens in. This is what happens when you don't read all the instructions, you guys. So this carrots that I wanted to have says to use a conventional oven, do not prepare in the microwave or countertop air fryer. It literally do not, where is it? Do not prepare in the microwave. And y'all know who don't have an air fryer? Me. And you know who's not gonna turn on the oven? Me. All right. The edamame, but this is not what I wanted to use my edamame for. I wanted to use my edamame with like an Asian dish. But this, like, we might not have no greens tonight. Y'all don't judge me. This is where we're at. This is where we're at. Y'all look at this microwave. Y'all see the steam? I don't think that's that hole that's not supposed to be opening. All that steam is supposed to be steaming the actual potatoes. This is not what's happening. Well, it's done. I'm gonna take it out and see. Although they were not completely vented properly, when I put a fork through them, it's going right through like they're cooked. The next step is to put either butter or olive oil in and shake with the seasoning packet. Because I'm a little paranoid, I'm going to put them in for 1 more minute, although as you can see, it's literally gone through the potato. So maybe it doesn't need it. Let me not do that. I'm going to let it cool. It said let it cool down first for like a minute or two. Then put the seasoning packet and some butter. I'm going to use olive oil and shake. This is a mess. I cannot be bothered with the shaking. It wasn't evenly dispersing. I was like, I didn't put my glasses on because maybe I can't see. So. Okay guys, so this is what we got. The chicken, it is done. Yep. And then my potatoes, no vegetables. Extra chicken, extra potatoes. So that is what I found in my pantry to cook this here middle of the week. It's Wednesday, literally the middle of the week, and I think it's gonna be fine. I just wish that I had more vegetables. I do want to probably pick up a salad maybe tomorrow so I can have with the chicken tomorrow instead of just meat and chicken. I mean, a starch and chicken instead of a vegetables, but salad doesn't last long in my fridge, and neither does a lot of vegetables, so I don't tend to buy a lot of them at a lot of times, like unless I plan on using it right then and there. But I hope this was helpful for someone and gave you an idea. I hadn't used panko breadcrumbs in so long, y'all, so long. So the idea that I even went to use the panko breadcrumbs was like, what can we do to jazz this up? Let me see if I can taste it for y'all. I always forget that part. I'm gonna lie. That meat is juicy. We did good. I wonder why it's not pink, I promise. Yeah, it's juicy. It's hot though. So I'm gonna let it cool down before I come back, you know. It's good. For something that wasn't marinated very long, the breading's holding on and it's got flavor. So I give it an A+. If you're doing any pantry challenges, let me know what you have made so far, what you're planning to make. I know my girl, Cali Girl Budgets, she has cleaned out her whole pantry. So even if you're not doing the pantry challenge, make sure you check your pantry, clean it out, see at least what you have in there. Take out the expired things and use the things before they get expired. Hey, what's up? What's good? Sorry, I took a walk earlier today during like a little break and my allergies are kicking my tail. But I just wanted to come back and tell you I went to the grocery store. It's now Thursday. I went to the grocery store and I picked up a little thing of flour and a little thing of pecan cookies because I needed to eat something, y'all. Like, I hadn't eaten lunch. I still haven't eaten food all day and it's 4 o'clock. At the end of like around 2 something, work got stupid dumb and somebody needed this and then I need to go out today, that kind of situation. And I also picked up a salad because I didn't eat any vegetables yesterday and I was like, I need to have salad. So that cost me $9.23, which I think I had, but I forgot I had a 20 in there, so I just pulled out the 20 and I'm sure I had 23 cents, but I also didn't give her any change. The chicken out the fridge, and I actually just put a little bit of the flour, that's why it looks like this. If I could do this again, I would skip the flour. I feel because I only shallow fried this chicken, it made it a little slimy rather than crispy. A little bit of the flour, mix it up, and I'm just leaving it here to come to room temperature. The salad, there's the flour I bought. It was one of the cheaper ones. And I got this just Caesar salad. I was shocked to see how much salt is in there. Like, I didn't know salad had salt like that. But what I really want, and I'm mad I didn't get like a bun or something, is a chicken sandwich. Really want a chicken sandwich. I do have some more of that bread, that really all the grains bread, and I might make a chicken sandwich out of that with some of the lettuce from the salad bag. But yeah, that is what I'm having Thursday, and I have a couple pieces of chicken there, so probably Thursday and Friday. I'm not gonna put it in a lot of oil or anything, just like a shallow fry for those. I really haven't eaten all day, so I'm hungry. No fries or anything. I'll be having it with salad. I will make sure to leave like a picture of the meal on the screen so you guys can see. I just wanted like you guys to know what I did with the rest of the chicken and how we're remixing what we have, right? Thanks so much for rocking with me. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year. And not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hand. Love you, mean it. Bye.